OpenClaw might be the most misunderstood tool in the whole AI gold rush right now. Everybody talks about the money. Almost nobody explains how the thing actually works. So let's fix that. Grab a seat. Class is in session. Here's the simple version. OpenClaw is an open-source framework that wraps around a large language model and turns it into an agent. And an agent is just a fancy word for a model that can take actions, not only spit out text. That's the whole trick. A normal chatbot answers you. An agent does things for you. Let me break down the loop, because once you see it, you can't unsee it. Step 1. You give OpenClaw a goal. Something like, read this folder and fix the broken code. Step 2. The model thinks out loud about what to do first. Step 3. And this is the magic, it's allowed to use tools. It can open files. Run a terminal command. Search the web. Step 4. It looks at what happened, and it loops back to step 2. Think, act, observe, repeat. Over and over until the job is done. Why does open source matter here? Because you can run it on your own machine, point it at the model you choose, and see exactly what it's doing. Nothing's hidden behind a paywall or a black box. You can read every line. That's also why developers trust it for real work. Now let's be honest about the catch, because there's always a catch. An agent that can run commands on your computer is powerful and a little dangerous. If it misunderstands a goal, it can make a mess. So OpenClaw asks for permission before risky actions, and you should keep that setting on, especially while you're learning. Treat it like a smart intern, not a wizard. What are people actually doing with it? Automating boring coding chores, cleaning up messy spreadsheets, building small tools that used to take a freelancer a full weekend. Some developers who offer this as a service report charging anywhere from $50 to a few $100s per small automation, depending on the client. Not a magic number, just the going rate for saving someone time. So what's your realistic first step? Don't try to build a business tonight. Just install it. Give it one tiny task you already know how to do by hand, and watch the loop run. Maybe ask it to rename a batch of files. Seeing think, act, observe with your own eyes teaches you more than any tutorial ever will. That's OpenClaw without the hype. A loop, some tools, and a model you control. If breakdowns like this make the confusing stuff click, subscribe and stick around. Next class is already on the board.